Hi again, guys. This is the third boiling comparison. Now with the lids on. This is the Silit. Somebody is starting to boil soon. Is it the Silit? It has a glass lid, so you can almost see. Yeah, it must be the Fissler doesn't give us any sound. Yeah, now I think it can be seen also in the camera that the boiling is just starting. Okay, now you can say, I think exactly about now you can say it is boiling. So it is 8 minutes exactly. Maybe a bit even less. Now let's close this so I can hear the other one. Okay. It's still boiling, though I closed the electricity on my electric hob, but as you see, you can touch this. It's not hot at all, but underneath I'm sure it is, so don't touch this. The lid is quite sturdy. It's quite heavy actually. Yeah, now it's here ready also. Unfortunately, I couldn't hear so exactly when it was ready. But I think it was not so much more, maybe like 30 seconds faster to boil with the lid than without the lid. Okay, so this is the Silit bottom, as you can see. I'll do a knock test so you can hear what I meant in the earlier video. That the quality should be quite similar for the disc bottom on the Silit and Fissler. And here is the Fissler. And the sides. The sides on the Fissler is a bit thicker, but this is thick enough, I think, this also. Okay, so now we have come to the final part of this video. I also wanted to make a quick comparison of my old electric kettle. It's this OBH Nordica, and it takes only half liter of water. Let me show you closer. I got this maybe some 20 years ago or something like that, because I wanted an electric kettle with a full stainless steel interior. Those days it was very hard to find, at least in my country, Finland, such. And this one is very easy to clean, therefore. I don't know what the hole is actually there, that I have never figured out what it can be. Just close it like that. Okay, now I have half liter in the Fissler, half liter in the Silit, and half liter here in the OBH Nordica. Let's start the final comparison. Luckily I remember to click the lock down, the lid lock down properly. I forgot it can be bad if you don't click it. But it already you can hear the boiling sound from this. And now it has something like soon 2 minutes. I don't think the lids actually help so very much, as I tested just before this, the lid only helped like 30 seconds or something like that. Okay, now it's exactly 2 minutes. Let's wait for the click sound. I think it will click when the water has reached the boiling point. Now it certainly is boiling. 2.5 minutes. Was it like 8 minutes, this Silit with the lid down? So not bad, 2.5 minutes. If you want to boil just a small amount of half liter of water. Okay, now I can start to hear some. I see more bubbles in the Fissler pot, but I don't think I hear sound from there. But from this I can start to hear the sound. It should just start. Now it has been 4 minutes just soon before I started my electric stovetop. Okay, now you can say, so it's now 4 minutes, you could say about 4 minutes to boil on this for the half liter of water. It wasn't much more difference to the electric kettle, I think. Now I can start to hear the same sound for the Fissler. Yes, now. Okay, so now let's check the time. Okay, so now it's about 5.5 minutes for the Fissler, so that's like the fastest time for half liter water. You might be able to reduce it to like 4.5 minutes with a stronger stove. Maybe with induction it can be way faster. Probably both these pots works much faster with the induction. Okay, but thank you guys.